Hey there! Let's get you up and running in under 5 minutes with FastPix Video APIs. First things first, sign up for FastPix. Once you're in, you'll have access to your dashboard, where you can manage everything in one place. This is where your journey begins. Next, in step 2, let's generate your API access token. You need to head over to Settings, click on Access Tokens, and simply click Generate New Token. Give a name to your token, pick your permissions like video read and write, so you can upload and interact with videos, and that's it. You've got your access token and secret key. Now in step 3, let's upload your first video. All you need to do is send a simple post request to our /media endpoint with your video URL. Get the access token ID and secret key that you generated previously and put in the request for basic authentication. In the payload, you can add features like watermarks, subtitles, and more. Once you send the request, FastPix starts processing it. Depending on file size and connection speed, this may take a moment. You'll know it's ready when the status changes to created. Now, let's proceed to step 4. Head back to your media dashboard, and you would see a new media is created. Once the media status shows ready, get your Playback ID from the response and use it to create a Playback URL. You can use it into any HLS player, or you could also use our Playback stream URL for an instant preview. Simply copy the URL, paste on your browser, and your video starts playing. And that's it. You've just uploaded and streamed your first video with FastPix. From here, the possibilities are endless. Streaming, editing, customizing. Build exactly what your application needs and do it at scale.